Welcome to ASEAN MedTech Insights. Today we are diving into the dynamic and challenging regulatory landscape of Vietnam. The country's framework for medical devices has undergone a seismic shift, driven by a trio of key regulations: Decree 98/2021, Circular 05/2022, and the more recent Decree 07/2023. Understanding how these pieces fit together is critical for market access. Decree 98/2021 was the foundational change, replacing the old system of import licenses with a risk-based classification system for medical devices, categorizing them from Class A to Class D. This decree mandated that all devices would eventually need a formal marketing authorization number to be sold in Vietnam, aligning the country more closely with ASEAN and international standards. This created a significant new procedural hurdle for manufacturers accustomed to the previous system. Following this, the Ministry of Health issued Circular 05/2022. Think of this as the detailed instruction manual for Decree 98. It specified the exact requirements for registration dossiers, particularly for higher-risk Class C and D devices, mandating the use of the ASEAN Common Submission Dossier Template, or CSDT. This meant companies had to compile and submit a far more comprehensive set of technical documents than ever before, a process that proved to be complex and time-consuming. The transition caused significant friction in the industry. Many companies struggled to meet the new, stringent CSDT requirements and faced the very real risk of their existing import licenses expiring before they could secure new marketing authorizations. Consider the case of a German manufacturer of a Class C orthopedic implant. Their team was unfamiliar with the CSDT format and faced delays in gathering the specific clinical data required by Circular 05. As their import license expiration loomed, they risked a complete halt in sales to Vietnamese hospitals. This is where Decree 07/2023 became a critical intervention, responding to industry-wide challenges. The government issued this decree primarily to provide relief. It extended the validity of previously issued import licenses and delayed the full implementation of certain stringent documentation rules. For the German implant company, this extension was a lifeline. It granted them the necessary additional time to properly compile their CSDT dossier without being forced out of the market. This trio of regulations shows a clear trajectory towards a more robust system, but also highlights the navigating challenges of shifting deadlines and technical requirements. While these changes aim to improve safety and standardization, they demand deep local expertise and proactive strategy from manufacturers. For expert guidance on navigating Vietnam's evolving medtech landscape and ensuring your products remain compliant, you can email or visit Pure Global.